Want to do, Kyra?
Today we are having a boat race. Just put the leaf in the water.
Oh, boat race, Kyra.
Yes.
Kyra, but I will choose my boat. Last time you chose my boat and it drowned. So this time I will choose my boat. Okay, let's first choose the boats. Okay.
My boat is this one.
Okay, let's go to the fountain. Wait, Kyra, I am coming. Okay, but let me get my boat. Now, Kyra. Yes, Kyra. This is my boat, and where is your boat? Okay, wait. 1, 2, 3, start. Let us see. My boat is stuck. Yes, my boat is here. It is stuck here. Kyra, my boat is. Kyra, my boat is coming. Kyra, see, my boat is coming there. I think it is stuck. Yeah, now it is coming. Kyra, my boat is stuck. Kyra, see, my boat is going there. Kyra, let's do it again. Let's go to the start point. Let's go to the fountain and we'll start again.